How can you stop constant sneezing from pollen allergy? Imagine waking up and sneezing every few minutes, feeling like your nose is running a marathon. If pollen triggers your sneezing, you're not alone. Many people suffer from this frustrating allergy. But there are ways to reduce or even stop those sneezing fits. First, try to stay indoors when pollen levels are high. Pollen counts tend to spike during dry and windy days, so check local forecasts. Keep windows and doors closed to prevent pollen from drifting inside. Using air conditioning with a clean filter can help filter out airborne pollen. After being outside, change your clothes and take a shower to wash pollen off your skin and hair. Wearing a face mask during outdoor activities like gardening or walking can also block pollen from being inhaled. Next, consider medications to control your symptoms. Oral antihistamines like cetirizine, loratadine, or fexofenadine are effective at blocking chemicals that cause sneezing. These are available over the counter and usually don't make you drowsy. Nasal corticosteroid sprays, such as fluticasone or mometasone, help reduce inflammation in your nasal passages, preventing sneezing and congestion. Saline nasal sprays or rinses can flush out pollen and mucus, easing irritation and helping you breathe easier. If your sneezing is severe or doesn't improve with these methods, it's a good idea to see an allergy specialist. They might recommend immunotherapy, which involves allergy shots or sublingual tablets. These treatments gradually desensitize your immune system to pollen, reducing your allergic reactions over time. Maintaining a clean indoor environment is also key. Use vacuum cleaners with HEPA filters to trap pollen and other allergens from carpets and furniture. Regularly wash bedding in hot water to remove trapped pollen. Minimize the use of thick carpets or heavy fabrics that trap allergens, and keep your living space tidy. By combining these strategies, limiting exposure, taking the right medications, practicing good nasal hygiene, and keeping your environment clean, you can significantly cut down on sneezing caused by pollen allergy. It's all about making your surroundings less welcoming to pollen and giving your body the tools to handle it better.